Okay, you guys, we're gonna come back for these. So here's the video. Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. Look at this. This box is from 4/19/22. The last box that we got from ThredUP that was around this date had some fantastic pieces. So, ooh, I'm so excited. I think I said this one. Let's see, this is Mechanicsburg. So, all right, you guys, let's hop into this and see if, gosh, it's over a year old. I guess I really need to get to opening some of these boxes. Oh, let's check it out and see what we got. All right, we'll find out exactly when I ordered this. April 14th, 2022. See, I've been holding out on you guys. All right, here we go. Let's move this box and get it out of here. So what I do is I'm Deborah by Timelessjewelbydebra. So I take each piece out. I unbox different items and we go through them. So let's just take a sneak peek here. I see a ring, I see a bracelet, see some necklaces. So there's supposed to be 15 pieces in here. What we will do is go through it. I'll give you a price. Then what you do is email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information is right down there. Under the title, it'll say more, and there will be 3 dots. If you click that, that will tell you exactly the information I need. All right, you guys, let's get started. I'm so excited. All right, all right. So here is the first piece. We've got a black and white. Really pretty plastic graduated beaded necklace. I really like this piece. It's a little filthy and definitely needs a good little soaking. Probably a little Dawn water. I don't know if that can come off or if that is something that is inside, but so cute. It's 18 inches. We will go ahead and do this for $4. All right. Next up, we got this really cute enamel brace or necklace. I love this design. And then we've got free floating little different design elements here. There we go. Really pretty pinks, golds, blues. No maker's mark. It's a brass tone, kind of a copper tone. It does have some wear here. And it is like a mesh type of a chain. And I believe this is 20 inches. Let me get that measured for you guys. Yes, it is. It's 20 inches total length. We'll go ahead and do $4 on this. So I tell you, this is a great lot. All right, and then we've got, let's see, I can't remember who. Oh, American Eagle. Now this has a lot of wear on it here. It's a gold tone chain, but here it's the gold tone has rubbed off. It is a Y design. You can see that it comes down here, and it has the letter J. We are going to do that for $1 in craft because of the wear. You can tell here it looks gold tone and here it looks silver tone. So, all right, craft for $1. I love this necklace. This is a 1980s hematite and coral necklace. It is just lovely. Here is your design, your clasp, excuse me. Goes in and goes out for those who have never seen these before. Super pretty. You know what? While I've got it apart here, I think it's 18.5 inches. Let me go ahead and get that measured for you. All right, so it's 20 inches. All right, nice length. Super pretty. Love this style of necklace. We'll go ahead and do that for 10. All righty. So then we've got a Kendra Scott necklace. Here's the back. So it's a pink, really beautiful faceted pink quartz on silver tone. It is marked here, Kendra Scott. It is a nice brand. Pretty good resale value. You know, it seems like the market's a little flooded with some of her pieces, but they are nice. So this one is the Elisa, E-L-I-S-A, and it's gold tone. We can do this for $15. I love these hoop earrings. So these are blue and white marble with a light blue. No maker's mark. They're for Pier Stairs. They are super pretty. Let's go ahead and do these for $4. Then we've got, a really pretty pair of garnet earrings. Now, I did not test the metal on these because there's no marking and it doesn't look like it's a vermeil or anything. So I am assuming they are a base metal. They did test as garnet. They are lovely. We'll do these for $10. They're beautiful. All right. Then we get into some of the bracelets. This is super cute. So I had never heard of this maker before. It's Kinsley, Amelie. I'm probably butchering that. Sorry out there. Armelli. It is a druzy quartz, and I did test it. It does test as quartz in a rose gold cup here. It is pretty small. This fits up to about a 5 3/4 inch. They sell for about $52 on our website in this style. And these we can do for $15. Then we got a J. Crew. I love the faux tortoiseshell acrylic. I just think it's so much fun. Now this measures in 7.5 inches, but you got to remember that you need to cut off a little bit of the inch there, maybe like 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch because it's so wide. But yeah, it's super lovely. It is by J. Crew. We will go ahead and do this for $10. Then we've got a quartz, and I did test it on the gem tester, faceted bracelet, and this has a little ham's a hand right here. It is marked 925 on the other side. The stretch is not that great, so this would be a good project for someone to redo. Really pretty, really cute. We'll go ahead and do that for $6. All right, now where do we go next? I think we are going to go. All right, so here we go. This is sterling silver, and I'm not sure if this is onyx or if it's an excuse me, an enamel. It is absolutely beautiful. I had a bracelet like this before, and mine was with onyx, and it's just, you know, I cannot tell you for sure, but it is lovely. It's marked LLK, and it's not the same LLK, like if you Google it. This is a more vintage piece, so there's another company out there that does their stuff as LLK, and that's a newer company. But yeah, this is marked LLK 925, and it is a hinged bracelet. I wear 7, and it fits me. It's super beautiful, and I did test it. We'll go ahead and do this sterling silver for, let's do this one for 25. Okay, next up, here we go. Another sterling silver piece. Now this is marked with a K. I believe that's a K. Let me bring that up here so you guys can see it right there. I believe it's a K. Not familiar with that mark. I really couldn't find it, and it is marked sterling, and it is lovely. So this is a black onyx and white onyx. White onyx is a thing. It is a really beautiful piece. I like that it's a little bit different on this side. It is just lovely. We will go ahead and do this one for $75. Oh, it's so gorgeous. All right, so here we go. This bad boy weighs 75. Let me see. Nope, he is 69 grams. So you guys tell me if you recognize that mark. Let's see if we can get it on screen right there. Okay, so that is the candelabra with a J and an A. So it's James Avery. This is a gorgeous, heavy, it's 69 point something grams of sterling silver. So this is the retired twisted cable bracelet. I am seeing them online anywhere from $400 to $800, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys are interested in this, I can do it for $425, and that still gives you room to make a little bit. But yeah, this bad boy is lovely and heavy. So James Avery, not too bad. I knew that as soon as I saw the candelabra. I'm like, I know that. All right, so next up, I put this in here. So we got a sterling silver cubic zirconia ring. Was it the last box? One of the boxes just prior to this, we had another ring by this maker. So this is marked ALE 925. This is Pandora. It is dainty and cute as heck. Let me see. Yeah, it's a size 6. Let's bring that up. It is super pretty. Looks like it has all of its stones. Just double checking. It looks like it. It is absolutely lovely. It's a size 6. We will go ahead and we'll do that one for 20. Okay, and the last piece, I believe, is fake, and the reason I say that is it's marked Italy with VI 925, but it is magnetic to a part. Some of this is magnetic, and only parts of this, I believe it was the clasp tested as sterling. The other ones had some plate, gold or silver plating on it, and it's missing a whole bunch of stones. So I'm going to investigate this a little bit more. It's probably going to go into my scrap sterling lot that I have, that I take in, you know, for things that are broken and can't be fixed, for chains. So this I will have to retest and put it. So that is going into my scrap sterling pile. But wow, you guys, can you believe it? An Avery. I was like, wow. This Kate Spade. This is fantastic. This bracelet is just really fantastic. And I love the ring. My favorite other piece is definitely the coral and hematite. So, all right, you guys, let me know. What is your favorite piece? And also, Let me know if you want to see some more of these, or if you think the next box we should do should be a Goodwill blue box. I have some of those 5 pounds around here, and I still have that America Thrift Shop or Thrift Supply box that I need to open. So let me know. And also, have you guys ever gotten a ThredUP box? Let me know in the comments. All right, you guys, I will see you really soon. And don't forget, take care of each other and be well. I will see you on the next. I hope we get some more Avery. Bye, you guys.